You hear that? What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And today we're going over an impact driver offering from the Metabo Tool Corporation. Not Metabo HPT. This is just Metabo. So welcome back. And as you can see, this is the SSD, not solid state drive, but this is their SSD 18 LTX 200BL. This is an 18-volt tool. It does 0 to 2,900 RPM per minute. It does have 200 Newton meters of power. And as you can see, bit is not Lufthagen, which I'll assume means not included. It does have overheat protection. It does have a brushless motor. It does have the M Ultra technology and a 3-year warranty, as well as the LiHD battery platform. This tool also comes with the ASC 3036 volt charger. Now, if you wanted to see the performance of that charger, you can go to this video here. What this tool is equipped with are two 4-amp-hour batteries, which help to keep this very compact. Let's get this thing opened. Well, first thing out of the box is some literature. Shows some of their 10.8 volt tool offerings, as well as the expansive line of 18 volt tools. Pretty cool. Here's your literature for the charger. Here is your literature for the impact driver. This is really good reading. We're going to set this aside here in case I need to refer to it. Well, inside the box you have, first out is a belt clip. Second out is the impact driver itself. Very similar to Metabo's hammer drill offering that we've unboxed previously here in this video. You have a clutch, electronic clutch speed dial. So this setting here is especially for self-cutting screws, so self-tappers. That's what that is. At the beginning, high speed for drilling, then later low speed for tightening the screw. Okay? 1 through 10 is adjustable tightening torque. So it's just a variable speed and torque. Okay? So P has the max, it's the power mode. Max torque. Metabo is saying here on the tool itself, they have APS, which stands for automatic power shift. My question is, if they're going to put APS here and then put automatic power shift, why not just not use an acronym? Why not just put automatic power shift on there? Kind of, I don't know. I'm just saying. You can see here we have a little warning to read your manual before you operate the tool. Pretty cool. I like that. We have some protective rubber overmolding. This way, if the tool were to drop, it would actually, well, you would think it would hit the rubber overmold. The funny part is that the Metabo does stick out past and does contact the table there. I like the rubber overmold on the grip. The tool does feel pretty ergonomic, and it also feels like a pretty compact package. The one thing about these tools, and that's not too bad there, I just feel like when I remove the battery, I want to flip the tool over, push the back, and then yank the battery. Somebody was saying in the comments that you just hit it with your palm. I just don't feel like it's as intuitive. I feel like to really have confirmation that you're pushing this hard enough, you need to just flip the tool over and then pop it on. With this kit, you're getting a second 4-amp-hour battery, and you're getting that air-cooled. These are fan-cooled chargers, very efficient. Not the fastest from the Metabo line, but they are efficient, and they keep the battery very cool because they are air-cooled. I do know that Metabo, because of their battery technology, is the foundation for the CAS, which is the Cordless Alliance System. It's a strategic alliance that has Metabo as the basis. They're the base of the platform by providing their battery technology to multiple European tool companies like Mefel, for instance. I'm going to get to know the battery platforms much better as we go along and do more testing with Metabo. We're going to set that aside because we know what you came for. You came for the stats. You love the stats here on the channel, and we got a scale and some calipers to provide them. Here you go. Impact driver with the 4-amp-hour battery. Boom. You got 3 pounds, 5.8 ounces. Tool only. This way you know what you got if you're putting on different size batteries. 2 pounds, 1.2 ounces. The length of the tool is 5.10 inches. Take a look at that. Now, looking at the tool, here, the width at the top, you kind of would think where the overmolding is would be the widest point. But as you can see, it is not. Okay? You got 2.47 inches at the overmolding, and then what looks to be the widest to me is actually 2.42. 2.48. 2.3. So it is the widest. It's a shame. I wish these little nubs stuck out a little further at the front. This way, if the tool falls over, it would actually protect the tool. But I guess it's not necessary. So, my eyes did not deceive me. At the top here, the widest point is at the rubber overmold. It is 2.49 inches. The width here, the battery, there's the widest point at the bottom. We got a total of 3.26 inches. We have an overall height of 9.08 inches. As far as bent retention goes, let's see. So it doesn't have quick insert for retention. You need to pull back on the collet. I will say this, it feels like it's retained very well. And looking inside the collet itself, it has dual ball bearing retention. So there's 2 ball bearings inside that collet that retain the bit. Of course, I wasn't able to help myself. I have to drive a couple screws. Wow, it's just like zero. We have 1 bar on the battery, but feels really good. Nice. try a couple more. We're gonna drive these Spax fasteners. You know what's great is Metabo is a German tool manufacturer, and Spax is either manufactured here in the US or in Germany. Pretty cool, they go hand in hand. Let's see how it drives them. Nice. Did you hear that sound? Did you hear the hammering action? I feel like I've heard that before. And if you think you've heard that before, leave it down in the comments section below. What does that sound familiar to you? Also, if you like YouTubers that ask questions to the audience and start a back and forth dialogue, then smash the like button. If this is your first time here, you wandered on the channel somehow and you were searching like, I don't know, German auto, like, you know, German engineering. You were watching cars race up and down the Autobahn. Next thing you know, you're watching some guy in the US review German impact drivers. It's your first time here? Get subscribed, okay? Because we go over German tools here and there on the channel and German engineering. So, tap the bell notification because you never know when one of those videos might get published. We do at least 2 videos a day. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks, everybody. See you on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.